Hi and welcome. My name is Erin, and here on my channel, I show you how to create your very own bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own perfume. This is a sprayable formula that is beginner friendly, so let me walk you through the step-by-step process. To start making this perfume today, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out into my beaker some denatured alcohol. This is 190 proof and it is cosmetic grade, which means it will be safe for not only the skin, but it's safe to be used in perfumes. Now, if you're not familiar with what denatured alcohol is, it simply is alcohol that has been made to be bitter so that you won't drink it. This is going to act as a solvent. It's going to help to dissolve the fragrance, and it will allow the perfume to be dispersed evenly onto the skin. So now that I have created the base for this perfume, I'm now going to go ahead and add my essential oils. I'm starting out by adding my base note first, and the one that I am using today is sandalwood essential oil. It has a very creamy, sweet, and woody scent to it, and it's going to smell amazing in this perfume. I'm now going to go ahead and add geranium essential oil. This is one of the two middle notes that I'm using in this formula today, and it has a very rosy, floral, but yet mint scent to it. The second middle note that I am using is Rose Absolute. Now, this is a much pricier oil, so I'm only using a little, but it's going to give the perfume a very rich, deep, floral scent, and it's also really great on the skin. For the top note, I'm using pink grapefruit essential oil. This has a very citrusy aroma to it. It's going to be the first scent that you smell in this perfume, but then it won't last for very long. It's quickly going to dissipate. Next, I'm adding benzoin. This is a resin. It's going to be the fixative, so it's going to help the essential oils to last longer, and it has a sweet vanilla fragrance. After adding the benzoin, I'm going to stir this really well. And then once I've done that, using this perfume test strip, I'm going to dip it in my perfume. And this is something that I like to do. It's an optional step, but it gives me a good idea on how well the essential oils are combining together and where the aroma is at this point. All right, so now that I've created this wonderfully scented perfume, I'm simply going to take my pipette and I'm going to be filling my spray bottle. The formula that I created today for this particular perfume makes 15 grams. Now you can, if you want more perfume, you can double or triple this formula. But for me, I had these containers already and they're so cute, I wanted to go ahead and use them. But this is something that once you fill it up, you're not going to want to use right away. You're going to allow this to sit. And what we call in the perfume industry is to macerate. And that just means that you're going to allow the essential oils and the scents to combine and fully mature. And that is going to deepen the aroma of the perfume. So here is a perfume that I made 2 weeks ago. It's the same formula that I showed you here today. I'm just going to apply this to my wrist and rub it in. I absolutely love how this formula turned out. It has a really lovely scent. Before I end this video, here are some substitutions. For the Rose Absolute, because it's a really expensive ingredient, use rose geranium essential oil. Bergamot essential oil can be used instead of the grapefruit essential oil. And because sandalwood essential oil is another really expensive ingredient, a good alternative for it is going to be cedarwood essential oil. If you're not a fan of geranium essential oil, use palmarosa essential oil instead of. Now, you can absolutely use fragrance oils in this formula. Just make sure that they are safe for use on the skin. Now, like I mentioned earlier, this makes 15 grams or half an ounce of perfume. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.